The RxD has an anti-theft security alarm which is triggered when either the TXID is turned off or the IMU sensor is activated. The receiver will constantly sound for 20 seconds. This can be aborted by holding down any of the push buttons on the front of the receiver. You can toggle security on or off by using push buttons 1 and 3. If you turn the security off, it will be off for the whole time the receiver is on. But when you turn the receiver off and then back on again, it will default back to security on.